What is up, ladies and gentlemen? It is your favorite guy, Mr. Brown Guy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to meal prep 1500 calories the easy way. If you're someone who's looking for a weight loss tutorial, this is the video. Share with your friends, your family, even your grandmother, because she's going to love me anyway. So if you are ready, subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and let's get started. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, we need some ingredients, so let's put them on the table, alright? Now that you've seen all the ingredients we're going to use for today's video, meal number one is basically going to be 40 grams of oats. In my case, I'm going to use core cream of rice. I'm going to use 1 banana and 6 egg whites. So let's get started. Yes, here we have it. Meal number one is basically done. We got 6 egg whites and we got some core cream of rice topped with some bananas. Alright, meal number two in the making. Are you ready? Because this is going to be lit. Is lit still in? Well, I can say lit. Meal number two is going to be 200 grams of rice, 1 whole chicken breast, 60 grams of black beans, 60 grams of corn, and 1 cup of spinach. You might notice I'm actually not going to use fresh spinach. I'm going to use frozen, and that's because it's budget friendly. Are you ready for it? Let's get going. While the chicken is basically taking care of itself because you have put it on a low heat at last, you need to make some basmati rice. Brown rice would be the best thing for you because it's got some high content of fiber. After that, what you need to do is you need to get 2 cans. Yeah, like these two. Empty it, put it in a Tupperware because we are going to use it in just a second. Bonus info, if your chicken is already done and you got your rice, take your spinach and put it on a frying pan. Just give it a little bit if it's not fresh. If it's fresh, cut it up in some small pieces and drizzle it up at last. Alright, for meal number two, here we have it. Are you ready for it? This is how delicious it is. Easy as that. I'm going to state the macronutrients just in a box over here or here or here. I don't know yet, but trust me, this meal number two is delicious. You gotta try it out. Do you remember when you were a kid and got to the final stage in some video game and finally defeated the boss? the final stage. That's how crazy you're going to feel after this last meal. So get ready, because here it comes. It's the final countdown. All right. Meal number 3, as promised. Meal number 3 is something delicious that I basically eat every single day before I go. Nappy. Meal number 3 consists of 150 grams of Greek yogurt or skyr, 1 banana, and topped with some protein powder. And the last bit, you might not know how you're going to do that. That's why you need to look carefully. Stick around. Ta-da! Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is literally it. You got your breakfast, your lunch, and a dinner or a snack. That's up to you. My sake, it would be a snack. For yours, it might be something else. Prepping this actually took me around 20 minutes, and I could do it in 15 minutes if I was fast enough. So prepare all your meals, prep it, and make sure you don't fail. That's the most important part when losing weight. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and I'll see you soon again.